Marlow Heat Transfer Solutions, providing custom-engineered products for your unique applications for almost a century. Marlow makes a unique product to solve damaged or rusted-through coil sections. Removable Coil Modules, or RCMs, simplify the replacement of entire coil housing sections for your existing air handling units. RCMs are custom-built to match the size of your air handling unit for precise installation, ranging from 2 to 60 square feet of coil face area. Adding new coil supports and a stainless steel drain pan can extend the life of your entire system. Various options are available to completely match Marlow's RCM to your application. Galvanized or stainless steel cabinets, optional painted exteriors, custom heating or cooling coils, including steam and water combinations, integrated lifting lugs, full-length stainless steel drain pan with IAQ-sloped. Coils can be removed from either side of the cabinet. Single or double wall construction. 1 or 2 inches of insulation. Optional integrated filter section. Removable coil modules have a sealed access panel that can be opened to service the coil. All RCMs are AHRI certified and are assembled and leak tested before shipping. Removable coil modules are used to replace poorly functioning or rusted-through sections of air handling units. The coil module typically wears out first. Replacing it can extend the life of a quality AHU for many years, with great cost savings. Contact an independent rep or Marlow sales expert by visiting www.marlowcoil.com.